Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And this situation makes mapping out an overall pattern here that's taking shape. Pretty straightforward. So the first part of this pattern we'll talk about here is the resistance portion of it, meaning as time has gone by now, these highs have actually gotten a little bit lower. Now, just because highs have gotten lower, that doesn't mean, the chart's ruined or anything like that. But that's just kind of the story behind this trend line is that, sure, the price has definitely made some continued move upwards, but compared to that one, the next move upwards didn't quite get as high, hence the downtrending trend line there. So the bears are showing some signs of strength in the form of those lower highs. On the flip side of things, though, you look down here, and now there's a very straightforward level of support right down there at essentially $1.77. So let me actually change that to green to represent support. And then we'll go through the history of things, and you'll see that there's quite a bit of times where right there acted as support, and then you look at today, once again, acted as support. So multiple times the bears have tried to go down there, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls have done a fantastic job of holding strong. So like I said, the trend line up here is more of the bearish part of the story, but the story also has a bullish part, and that bullish part, again, is that whenever the price does get down around $1.77, like I said, the bulls have really dug in and done a good job of holding strong. Now, in the event this level does not hold up, so if the price does fall through that $1.77 mark, next key overall level of support down there at that previous breakout point at $1.60. Now, I'm not saying that if the price falls below $1.77 within 2 hours, the price is going to be at $1.60. I'm just saying that from the technical perspective, there just really aren't any other areas of support around this area. So, that breakdown wouldn't exactly be shocking to see the price then potentially drift to $1.60. But again, no such thing as a guarantee. On the flip side of things, if the price can work its way back up to that trend line and then get the break of it, the main level of resistance after any sort of trend line break would be up there at the round number of $2. So overall, a nice pattern going forward, and overall, the trend is still bullish. So sure, today it pulled back a little bit, but again, looking at more than just 1 day, multiple days as we're looking at here, you can see the bullish pattern is intact. So let's see if the price can continue to build and chip away with these higher bases. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.